halfway through. Basil, you're doing great. Tomatoes, perfect. Well done. You've collected some pizza. Tear off all the leaves. This needs to be cut. We need to grate this. Grate the ingredients or sauce for our pizza. Now mix the sauce. Hurrah! The sauce Good. The dough is ready. Now let's mix everything. Let's flatten it now. Hurrah! It's starting to look like a pizza. Now it's time for topping. Awesome! The pizza is almost ready. Now, let's pop the pizza in the oven. Tap the screen for the pizza to cook faster. Just a little left. Hurrah! The pizza's ready. Find where our friend lives. Looks like it's over there. Let's find our friend's house. Hurrah! You found him. Let's hurry to our friend. Pedal. Watch out! Ears ahead! Watch out! Oh, the bees won't let us through! Watch out! A log ahead! Watch out! Squirrels ahead! Hurrah! We've arrived! Feed our friends! Cut the pizza in slices! Now, give everyone a slice! Well done! Everyone's full and happy! Tap the hurrah! You've got new pizza ingredients!